Good job. Come on, help me. Come on, son. It's a beautiful, sunny day today. We need to prepare the soil for planting.
I'm going to cook this delicious meat with vegetables. It's going to be amazing.
This year we had a really great harvest.
All right, I'm heading off now. See you later.
These tomatoes are really beautiful. Look how beautiful these carrots are.
It's very hot today.
Come on, let's help Mom and Dad.
These are vegetables from our own farm. We picked them this morning.
Mom, this food you made is really delicious.
Thank you, sweetheart. I'm glad you like it.
Look at the stunning starry sky with the full moon shining brightly.
Yes, ite. Really, a breathtaking view. Oh, Willie, look how beautiful the sky is. So bright. Hi, friends. Follow us for new adventures with our family.